In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream a game in Streamlabs. If you want to live stream your gameplay on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Gaming, or another streaming platform, Streamlabs makes the process simple. Let's get started. First, open Streamlabs on your computer. If you haven't already, sign in with the platform you want to stream to, such as Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main Streamlabs dashboard. Before starting your stream, you'll need to add your game as a source. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon. Select Game Capture and click Add Source. Give the source a name if you'd like, then click Add Source again. For the capture mode, choose Capture Specific Window. Next, select your game from the Window drop-down menu. Make sure the game is running in the background so Streamlabs can detect it. Once selected, click Done. Your game should now appear in the Streamlabs preview window. If game capture doesn't work, you can also use window capture or display capture as an alternative. Next, you'll want to make sure your microphone is working properly. In the audio mixer section, speak into your microphone and confirm that the audio meter is moving. You can adjust the volume levels as needed. You may also want to add a webcam. To do this, click the plus icon in Sources and select Video Capture Device. Choose your webcam and click Done. Your camera feed will now appear on the stream layout. Before going live, open Settings and review your stream settings. Check that your video resolution, frame rate, and encoder settings are configured correctly for your computer and internet connection. Once everything is ready, launch the game you want to stream. Return to Streamlabs and make sure the gameplay appears correctly in the preview. When you're ready to go live, click the Go Live button in the top right corner. Enter your stream title, select the appropriate category or game, and review the stream information. Finally, click Confirm and go live. Streamlabs will connect to your streaming platform and begin broadcasting your gameplay to viewers. You can monitor chat, alerts, and stream performance directly from the Streamlabs dashboard while you're live. And that's how to stream a game using Streamlabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Streamlabs tutorials, streaming tips, and gaming guides.